What's something original I could do? Oh, I know! A board smashing episode! Those typically get a lot of views. I mean, it's not like people hate the series. People actually love it. And if I smash something people hate, I'll get even more views. But what do I smash? Something cheap and expensive at the same time. But not too expensive. I know! Dollar store alarm clocks! Yeah! The perfect product. Like drop test. Drop test. Yeah, this is the perfect idea. Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Board Smashing. Haven't done one in a while, and this is going to be the first one on this channel, and I really recommend you go check out the ones on the other channel. They're with an annoying little brat, so I don't actually recommend them. Anyways, let's get to smashing. Which one should we smash first? This one. Uh-oh. That drop test earlier seems to have broken the light bulb. Never mind. Die! Whew. Well, I guess I'll never know what time it is. There we go. I'll never see this stupid time again. Love those noises. You know what? No, we gotta put it in the garbage. Man, I wonder what else this thing can be used for. Bouncy ball. No, it sucked. What's an original smashing idea? Well, wow, it's so majestic and beautiful. Well, I mean, drag test? No, it's too bland. Here, let's get rid of these cords. Whoops. The light's still on. That means it's still alive. Ugh. And it's still close. Ugh. I hate flashing lights. Did I kill it now? I killed it. Yay. Alright. Now we're gonna do official tests with this one. Starting with the drop test. Screen. Down. Oof. That looks like it did absolutely nothing. I mean, there's a small hairline crack. But besides that, not really too much. Well, let's move on to the drag test already. Here we go. Drag test. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it broke. And we got screen. Still shows the time. And it still turns on. Dang it. Ooh. Let's do a miniature avalanche. Why does it sound like it's making Lego noises? Like, you hear that? Uh-oh. Oh. This is an original test done by me. Ludacris. Okay, let's get away from the car to do this test. Ludacris. Oh, something fell out. And it still works. Here, let me turn it on. Yeah, still works. Uh-oh, there goes the screen. Oopsies. Yeah, same stinky noise. Remember, don't do any of this stuff that I do at home. It still works. Ludacris drop test. It still works. It's the Ludacris drop test. I thought that was gonna land on the car. You pricked me. Oh, did it finally die? It didn't die. Look at that. Still very much alive. Ugh! So basically the main... Okay, is it dead now? I think it's dead. Okay, well, let's just... Yeah, what was I thinking? Oh, come on. Just gotta whip it. Oh, come on. Whip it! So, that was that episode of Board Smashing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe, baby!